kaso walang panangila. Yung games natin, huwag natin magayaan. Magsata. Alright, game 2 points. Games number 22, Reyes, pass sa kakapre. Pass to gilid, nagkatong po sa balikan number 22. Number 22 passes sa gitna. Number 24. Number 24, no good. Nakakuha ng Wonder Bulls. Number 30, break play. No. Two doors to number 22. Medyo mabala. Ayan ang Reyes. Passes sa kakapre, break play. No good. Nakakuha ng Wonder Bulls. Alright, he's got 3 points. 5-0 ang ating score. Jersey number 22, pass sa gitna. Number 24, basket. Reyes. Alright, number 22. Number 22. Passes sa kakampi. Number 24. Passes number 95. 20 shoot. Number 20. Last set. And Carrasco sa bola. Passes number 22. Passes number 24. Passes sa ilalim. Sila na nababasahan, balikin number 24, number 24. Boom, nakuha na Wonder Bulls. Instead, ano naman nilang bola? Instead by jersey number 22, pass number 95, pass number 24, and Reyes basket. 7-4 ang aming score, in favor of team Wonder Bulls. 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Number 20, pass number 19, is still by jersey number 95, pass number 22, team number 24, share. Kulang-kulang yung ilaw ko. Napakabakis. Sarap. Ready for timeout. And again, number 19. Number 19, muling aatake. Kaya gano'n yung share. Aking to. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 24, pass sa gilid. And number 5, to jersey number 22, 30 shoot. Pass number 22 again. 30 shoot. And number 95, pass number Reyes, work by foul. Foul to jersey number. Again, number 22 para sa first throw. 6 minutes and 29 seconds. 9-6 ang ating score in favor of team Phantom Groups. Number 24. Pass to number 22. Time to shoot. Wala. Number 17. Pass to number 14. Alright, number 40. Pass to number 14 to shoot. Good play, no good. Number 19, inikot, inang-inda. Sa inyo na lahat. Huwag tayo magsira. 6 minutes and double. Pastelani, number 1. Number 22, Justin. And now, 3. Blue, nakuha ni jersey number 22, easy lang foul. Pass number 22, pass to gilid, again. And the ball pass sa kakapit, jersey number 22, Reyes. 30 shoot. 30 shoot. 3, wala. Wala na. Phantom Hoops. 17 Phantom Hoops. Again. Number 19. He's there by jersey number 22. Pass to number 22 again. Pass to number 20. Wala. Wala lang Pando. 48 and 48 seconds. 4 remaining time. Number 30. Is the big cover for 3. 3 points. To jersey number 30. Ayan, number 9. Is the bottom. Ayan, aatake. Ang laki nun. Nakakuha na number 22. Pass number 95. Number 95. Sinagsak na ang kapatid. Number 22. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Ayan, libre-libre sa idol. Basket. Score number 16-8 in favor of Team Phantom. Foul. Foul losing number 19. Second personal foul and third team foul. Number 22, Reyes. Pass to Rita. Alright, para sa Panda Wolves. Number 19, pass sa kakampi. Number 19. Aatake. Wala. Nakuha na rin. Ayan na kanya pa rin. Wala. Jersey number 14, pass number 19, number 19, pass sa gilid. Number 20. Wala. Nakuha na jersey number 22. Number 22, aatake. Number 5. 50 shoot. It's the number 6-11. 16-11. Ready for stop. Dito yung kita nakakuha ng foul. Sabrad Patigaya, first personal foul. And first team foul. Number 30, the 3 points. Number 22, Martin Nagasan, pass sa gilid, Babale. 3 points. Grabe na bawin na rin. Serve na mo. Okay na, tamang 2 points na ulit. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Grabe naman yun. Number 22. Pass sa kalampin. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Oh. Ayan na, ito pa rin ang Dalaskas. Number 25. May kasamang foul. Number 24, second personal foul and hurting foul. Number 95, wala. Cameron, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Number 0, in, number 24, out. Ayan, number 14. Number 20, 3, wala. Number 11, ayan na. Number 22, pass to number 5. Number 5 again, wala. Number 1 minute and 5 seconds. Same ball. Number 30, first 3. Wala. And number 22, 56 seconds. Foul. The jersey number 14. Penalty red. Number 14, first personal foul for penalty. Wala. Seconds now. Basket. Seconds. 30 seconds. Wala. And number 25. 25 seconds. Number 24, first personal foul and second team foul. Good. The jersey number 11. Basket again, the jersey number 17. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 24. 5 seconds. Number 22. Wala. Nakakuha sa number 12. Alright, again. Third to shoot. Ayan na, nag-practice yan. Number 12. Back sa number 20. Number 20 for 3. Wala. Muling aabang, pinaggaga ang kinakalaki. Number 9. Eight to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shutdown is off. Shutdown is violation. Number 20. Ayan, number 12. Number 12. Ayan na. Number 20, foul. First personal foul. And first team foul. Number 12. Number 12, Inigot sa ere, wala. Number 31. Number 21, wala. 15 to shoot. 3. 8 minutes exactly. Number 12. Take to shoot. First personal foul and first to foul. Jersey number 12 para sa ating first throw. Tignan natin. Last throw, jersey number 2. Shut down. Grabe naman yun, talibret. Ay na, number 31. Number 28, pass sa amin. Number 12, number 3. Mula, kakuha ni number 11. Naintulan. Foul basket. Foul to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. First personal foul and second team foul. Wala. Still pa rin nila. Traveling violation ang tinawag ng aking referee. Timeout Team Blaskas. 11 remaining. Number 31. Foul versus number 2. First personal foul and second team foul. Wala. Wala pa rin. Number 31. Ayan na, libre yung sir. Ang galing, inaikot mo. Inaikot mo. Number 20. Number 20, tinatapasan. Ayan na, sigilid, 4-3. Wala. Ayan, libre agad. Nakakuha na. Foul number 28, first personal foul and 13 foul. Number 2, basket. Score natin 26-23 in favor of Team Panther Brooks. 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Number 2, ayan na, Titus Captain. Second personal foul and 14 foul. One. Isa na naman po ang kalamangan ng Panther Brooks. 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Grabe naman yun. Ayan ang number 31. Basket. Lamang na ang isa ng Balaskas. Third to shoot. Number 24. Third two. Wala. Sabret. Number 5, Ian Ubersi. Number 11, out. Number 5, pasangan ng Berkview. Wala, masyado mahina. Ayan nga, number 24, pasangan ng Kasi number 20, wala yun. Wala lang asset na 3. Wala. Sabret. minutes and 42 seconds. 26-27 ang ating score. Number 22. Pass number 21. Number 21 for 3. Wala. Kaya masyado ng madali. Number 14. Number 27. Pass number 12. Pass number 30. 15 to shoot. Basket na mag-isama foul. First personal foul and 13 foul. Wala is saved by the last guy, number 31. Number 24 is saved by the person, number 28. Basket. It's better than 30-27 in favor of Team Panther Brooks. 3 seconds violation ang ginagawa ng ating referee. Bawal tumahin, wala paglilinis. Number 30, Petri. It's made by number 30 again. Number 24, pass to Yulad. Number 12. Iniit niya lang 15 to shoot. Number 24, pass out again for 3. Wala. Rainbow Stars number 24. Pass to number 31. Number 9. Pass to number 3. Wala. Minutes, exactly. Ayan, pula sa gitna. Wala ka rin. Ito na lang sa patrol. Foul, contact. Stop break. Second personal foul. Running. What is the penalty? Stop break. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 31-27 in favor of Team Pantos. Number 22. Number 28 for 3. 3 Grabbing at the break. Number 24, pass to gilid. Rubenel, wala. Nakawala Ruben. Number 30. Take this shit. Number 17. Foul basket. Who's for red? Number 5. Second personal foul and penalty. And again, number 5. First, second personal foul for penalty. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 36-30. The power for 3. 3 points. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Ayan. Pass na lang. Pass sa referee. Hindi pinasa. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Holding the shoot. And ang 22, pasalusan ito again. Start the shoot. Timeout, clear. Water break. 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's good out there. 36-23. Tapos naman po ang kalat. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Tapos naman po ang kalamangan ng Team Pantos. Ayan, number 12. Pass number 20. Pass sa ilalim. Nakapag sa Talixer. Hindi pa na sila ang number 3. Wala. 55 seconds. Move forward. Number 20. First personal foul and for penalty. 50 seconds. Wait for basket. Wait for 30 seconds. Number 20, napakalayo na. Wala. Number 22, pass sa ilalim na mga balik. Wala. Wala ka rin. Number 2, nakipangalawan. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul, producer cover. Number 22, penalty. First personal foul for penalty. Prince penalty. Step out second leg sprinter. Shot out muna ang pinag-gusto shot out. Number 2, break 2. For 1 point. 30 seconds. Ang natitirang oras para sa ating period 2. Ayan, number 12. 25 seconds. 30 shoot. Pinasakay ko ang uo. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 to shoot. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Ayan, basa mo lang ang inyong maririnig. 5 seconds. Grabe na natin ito ito na nag-shoot. Third, grabe na po. Score natin ay 39 to 38 in favor of Pantong Hook. Here's 24. Basket for number 40. Here's number 5. Easy 2 points para kay Rebukas. Here's 19. But still. Here's 95. 2 points. Change favor tayo. 42 to 41 in favor of the Loscas. Here's number 19. Pass sa gitna. Pass to Nana. Back to 19. Not good. Shot clock by 14 seconds. Not good. Rebound by number 9. Here's Reyes. Pass to number 22. Three points led by the Lascas. Here's number 19. That's traveling violation. Time remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Here's Reyes. Pasa sa labas. Set off the shot clock. Not good. Here's 19 on the drive. Basket jam. May kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number 5. That is third personal foul and first team foul on Team Velasquez. Ready for substitution. Substitution. Our score is all 44. Here's Ramos. Cross-court pass to Rebukas. And on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Not good. Here's number 19. Basket on jersey number 19. Our score is 46 to 44. Here's Reyes. Pasok sa kanan. Back to Reyes. 15 on the shot clock. 2 points para kay Reyes. Evangelista dribbling the ball. Another 2 points on number 14. Here's Reyes to Rebukas for 3. That's air ball.
another try, but there's a foul on jersey number 24. It is third personal foul and first team foul. 2 free throws on Ribukas. Second free throw, basket again. That is 3 out of 2 on free throw line. Our score is 4-48. Here's Nana for 3. Good. There's number 5, pass to 95. Spin. Pass to Ramos. Ball possession ng Dalastas. Two points. Timeout! Quantum Hoops. Our score is 50-48. Lamang dito ang Dalastas. And also a big shout out sa page ng Hard Boys. Here's number 19, attempt for 3. May bukas na nagpasa doon. There's a foul. A foul on jersey number 14. And the second personal foul and second team foul. First free throw basket. Here's 19 dribbling the ball. Pasa sa kanan. Here's number 30. Still. That's traveling violation. Substitution. Here's number 19 dribbling the ball. That's 2 points on number 19. Here's Reyes, pasa sa kanan. Back to Reyes to Rebukas. And on the shot clock. Not good. Supply. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Asa sa labas, back to number 9. What a ball movement para dito sa Dalastas. Yes, number 19. It's ball on jersey number foul. Number 22. The second personal foul and second team foul. Supply ang unang free throw. Ready for substitution. Substitution. There's number 25E. Pass sa kaliwa. Here's number 3. Not good. Here's number 19. 2 points on number 19. Our score is all 53. There's 19. Ball possession ng Dalastas. Substitution. Here's Ramilo dribbling the ball. Pasa sa kanan, back to Ramilo. Cross-court pass. Here's Rebukas for long three. Ball. Here's 19. Pass to Nana. 15 on the shot clock. Back to jersey number 19. Another long three. Ball. Babawian lang sila. Here's Rebukas. Another throw. Ball. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Here's 19. That's still. Pass break passes number 5. That's traveling violation. Destination. William Brackin. Jersey number 95 out. Here's number 19. Rudy the ball. Pasa sa gitna. Sablay nga lang. Here's William Brackin. That's it. Here's number 12. What a power move. Number 12. Our score is 59 to 58 with 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Another 2 points on number 5. There's number 40 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Not good. Here's Ramilo. Pass to Villafranca. There's 19. 2 points on number 19. Ready for substitution. There's Ramilo on the dribble. 15 on the shot clock. 3 points. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Score natin 64 to 60. Lamang pa rin dito ang Dalascas. Here's number 3 with a floater shot. That's a point on number 36. Here's 19. Still. There's 31. Yun. Here's number 40, pasa sa kaliwa. Here's 19, another 2 points. And there's a foul on, here's number 25. And his second personal foul and 13 foul. Ready for substitution. Salim in and Evangelista out. There's Ramilo dribbling the ball. Pass to Villafranca. Pass sa kanan. There's Ramilo. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Ramos with a pull-up 2. Not good. 2 points on Villafranca. There's number 20, 40 in 4-3. And good. Here's Ramos, fast break to 95. 15 on the shot clock. Back to Ramilo. Pass to 24. 2 points on number 24. 5 puntos na rito ang lamang ng Dalascas. 25 seconds remaining. Here's Salem. Pasa sa kaliwa. Back to 20. 2 points on number 14. Here's Camilo. 5 seconds remaining. Still. End of the third quarter. And ball possession on team Velasquez. And goes by jersey number 31. 31. Pass on. 14. 11. Attempt for 3. And now goes 3-1 on jersey number 2. Dalawang bumabagay. Goes by 20 on 19. Basket on jersey number 19. And here's by jersey number 31 for his people. Ito na, Milo. Inaagawan. And offensive foul on jersey number 31. And jersey number 31 with the first personal foul. Here's by jersey number 30. Pass on 28. And for 3. Goal. Paninsan nga ng Rouse Tournament. Here's by. And for 3. Bumawi and 3. Here's by 28. Pass on number 30. Pull up 2. And a good substitution. Here's the number 5 in and substitution. And then a 19. Better go here, no good. Here's by Ramilo. Now look fast. Number 22, what a cut. Basket on version number 22. 75-72, lamang ng tatlo ang Team Velasquez. And here's by jersey number 28. Pass on 19 with a 3. And a good 3-1 on jersey number 31. Here's by 21 with another pass. Wala nga lang. Second attempt on 22. No good. And substitution is correct. Jersey number 21 with a second personal foul and first team foul. First by Nana with a pull up 2. Basket niya para kay Nana. Babasa isa kalabangan ng Velasquez. 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Jersey number 22. Pass on Ramiro with a long 3. Time na lang, rebound on jersey number 2. First by jersey number 28. Pass on number 30. Kinamitan ng lakas. Basket. Lamang na ng isa. Ang Team Phantom. Here's by Ramiro. Pass on. Attempt for 3. And a goal. Rebound on jersey number 30. Here's by 19. Ito na. Kinuha ang foul. Intentional foul. And unsportsmanlike foul. Pahinga ka muna 3 minutes. Substitution. Second personal foul. Second personal foul and second team foul. Number 19 for 3. Pangalawa na yan para 19. 80-75, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Ito na si Idol. Pass on. Number 5, Ababik. 3 ball. Ito na Ababik. 19 again. No good. Rebound on Nana. Nana pass on number 30. Back to Nana. Pass on 30 with a 3. And no good. Here's by Reyes. Pass on 22. Ito si jersey number 2. Walang pagkakagaw. Iba talaga kapag masustansya. Time out! Ano? Oras po natin ay 6 minutes and 26. Phantom. Here's my number 2. Kinaldag na ni number 2. Wala nga lang. And both of them are on Yul Velasquez. Ito na. Jersey number 22. Pass on. Attempt for 3. No good. Ramos. Foul. Go back. And who's correct? Jersey number 2. With a black team foul. Second personal foul and first team foul. 24 substitution. Substitution. Going strong on Ramos. Babasay sa ang kalawangan ng dalaga. Here's by jersey number 3, pass on 28. Here's by Nana. 15 on the shot. Ito na, number 20. Pinato na lang, patay mga na shot. Pero nakuha na 19. Susubukan ng lakas. No good. And rebound on. Here's by Nana. Bola ang inabot niya ron. And ball possession on team Phantom. 11 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot line. Attempt for 3, no. And ball possession on team Velasquez. Ready for substitution. Here's by Reyes. Defense on jersey number 28. Rebukas. Kakayang butigit. Rebound on jersey number 22. Here's by jersey number 28. 5 minutes. Exactly. Nana pull up. No. And 7 on the line. Bilaw ang ating buwit. Substitution. Jersey number 28 and 28 out. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Here's by 30, attempt for 3, number 3-1 on Reyes. Ito na sa Reyes, pass on, attempt for 3, no good. Kanya ulit. Second attempt, wala. Here's by Nana. 2-1-0, Nana. Basket on Nana. Babasay sa ang kalawangan ng dalaga. Here's by Reyes. Reyes, pass on to Duas. Reyes again. Wade. Pass on jersey number 22. 10 on the shot clock. Attempt for 3. Nag-work pa rin. Ball possession on team Velasquez. 12 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Kinabahan si Ramos doon and foul on Ramos. Jersey number 11 with a second personal foul and third team foul. And here's by jersey number 19. Attempt for 3. Short na lang. Here's by number 5. Libre-libre ka ron. 85-82. And nagod pa rin. Camilo, 15 on the shot clock. Here's by Ramos. 10 on the shot clock. Here's by Reyes. Ramos, shake. Napakalalim. 2 seconds. And good. Eto na. Here's the number 95. Nabitawan nga lang. And focus na siya ng bato. Substitution. Oras natin ay 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And here's by Reyes. Yes, Reyes para kay Reyes. Ito na, number 5. 10 on the shot clock. And then more 3. Number 21 on. There's the number 24. Number 24, inaagawan ng dalawa and foul. Who's correct? There's the number 11. 22 ba? There's the number 22. Got a first personal foul and 1-4 penalty. It's by 19. Third personal foul and 1-4 penalty. It's by Reyes. Back on Reyes. 15 on the shot clock, and then for 3. 3. Last 2 minutes. Tawag. Here's the number 11. Last 2 minutes. It's by Nana. Pull-up basket on Nana. Pabasa apat ang kalamangan ng Dalasyan. It's by Reyes. 10 on the shot clock. Huli ang inabot. It's by Nana. Eto na, Nana gagawa ng panaan. Pass on 28. It's by 19. 0-3. Time out with Dalascan. Score for us. By Reyes. By 95. Eto na. Here's the number 19. 19. No good. Rebound on to the number 24. Number 24, tinatatlo. Pull up. Basket on Nana. Lamang na ng isa. Ang team. Santo. It's by Ribuas. Pass on. Traveling violation on Reyes. Substitution. 1 minute exactly. Here's Banana, 14 to shoot, foul, and who's for it? Penalty na rin po tayo. Who's for it? Here's the number 22. Here's the number 22. Good up. Warning, very forward. And first draw on Ana. And first draw para kay Nana, basket. Second draw para kay Nana. 47 seconds. 2 out of 2 on free throw line para kay Nana. 45 seconds. 30 seconds. Tatlong inaabol. 15 on the shot now. Fire. And who's for it? Who's the number 14? Third personal foul and second team foul. First draw on Reyes. Wala nga lang. 35 seconds. Second throw. Basket. Pinasa. 91-19. 35 seconds is still. Is by Libuas. Pass on. And same ball. Substitution. 12 and 28 out. Takit po tayo. With a first personal foul and team penalty. First draw on user number 19. Noble. Last draw on user number 13. Papasok kaya. And was used by person number 24. 22. It's by 95. Pass on Reyes. 13 seconds. Reyes pass on. Another steal. And another 15. Basket. 6 seconds. Diamond kill. And last guys. 6.3 seconds. Easy lang po tayo, wala pa. 6.3 seconds. Good done. Wow, got it. And it's the rep. Kailangan mo. It's the rep jersey number 2. Wala na pong timeout, both teams. 3.9 seconds. Isa